All right, hello everyone. I'm Taylor. I'm from Ranger Industries in Tinsel's. Today I'm going to be showing you a little bit of the new Ranger Ink Letter It program. It's a program based on stamp sets. We've got surfaces, we've got metallic markers, we've got lettering pens, embossing patterns, a little bit of everything. So today I'm going to be showing you our perfect pearls with some of the stamp sets. So right now I have the Hooray stamp set from the Celebration set of stamps, and I'm going to be working with the Perfect Medium. So the Perfect Medium actually comes with two sets of Perfect Pearls. So we have two sets of Perfect Pearls. We have the Sunflower Sparkle and the Perfect Pearl, and we also have the Perfect Copper and the Pewter. I'm going to be working with the Perfect Pearl today. So like I said, it comes with the Perfect Medium as well as the dusting brush. So it kind of gets you set with the Perfect Pearls. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open the ink. And I actually have our stamp on the new acrylic block. So the Ranger Letter It acrylic block fits all of the stamp sets. So you're just going to want to ink that up. Place it on your surface like you would any stamp. Give it a nice firm press. You'll see that it leaves the mark of where the stamp is, so it's easy to see where you need to fill in. You're going to want to take the dusting brush, put a little bit of powder on. You don't need a lot of it, because it can really work its way around. So I always start small and then add as I need, so that way I don't have too much excess afterwards. Just going to want to dust it around the stamp. Make sure you have everything covered. Give your brush a little tap, and then just go back and kind of wipe away any excess that you have. So you can see once that's done, it gives a nice shimmery effect, which is great for focal points. I like to use it as backgrounds, especially just to give it a little extra. When it's all done, you're going to want to take any type of water, give it a nice little mist. Because the Perfect Pearls are a loose powder, you're definitely going to want to set them with water, so it just kind of holds it on there so it won't rub off. And then just to dry it, I just use the heat tool. And we're actually working on the Letter It gray cardstock. In the line we offer 4 1/4 by 5.5 gray cardstock, as well as ivory. And we also have a pack of tags in gray and ivory. It comes in number 1, number 2, and number 3 in both colors, so you can get both colors to work with. So once that's all dry, you've got that nice shimmer effect. It's a great product.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Scrap Time videos here on YouTube so you'll be the first to see all our videos from Creativation. And follow us on Instagram at Scrap Time Photos to see photos straight off the show floor.